Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. Wow. How are you doing? Anyway, taking koko kin now. Any gidi pataki. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for following us. And if you're new here, we say you're welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thank you so much everyone for your concern and support. I want to use this opportunity to say, Babati, I swear to Almighty Allah, from the bottom of my heart, I forget and forgive. God bless you, my brother. One love.
Hello, my name is Babatunde Bernard, aka Babati, a content creator, an actor, and a stand-up comedian. I'm sorry about what happened between me and IJOBA LANDE, and I'm so pissed with myself right now. There are so many illicit acts that we do in the closet, and we have to apply moral, because I never knew this could come to the public. I'm sorry about that. A lot of people do not know what they call truth or dare. It is an adult game. It is not a childhood game. I'm sorry about this immoral attitude. I take all responsibilities. But please, join me to say sorry to IJOBA LANDE. And to my fans, I appreciate every one of you. Please consider me as a first offender, because I don't think I've ever done this in the history of my tenure, my life in the industry. I'm a man that has lived with contentment. I'm a man that believes in the truth. I'm a man that even if I'm dying, I will hold on to the truth. I know I have a lot of enemies, but they are not my enemies, they are my friends. It's because a lot of us do not know that the peace of mind is the wealth. We think that the monetary paper that we move around is the wealth. I have lived on this truthfulness from the beginning of my life. Now see, at the peak of my career, my second prime time, my immorality is trying to melt down. I beg you all to please forgive me in the mighty name of Allah. I'm begging every one of you. This will never happen again. Yeah, and if this occurs again, please do not spare me. Consider me as the first offender. I'm sorry, IJOBA LANDE.